Hey everyone, it's Jessie. For the month of November, I have joined a collab. It's a collab that Heather at Strings and Threads and Teresa at Critters Crochet have been putting on for a while now. It's called Battle of the Stitches, and every month they go through this book and they pick a stitch for the month. Now this month it was the rocking stitch, which is also known as the Trinity Stitch. And the book is called The Step-by-Step Guide to 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Toddhunter. And every month, Teresa and Heather ask for other creators to join. So this month I'm joining. We also have Connie at Just Another Stitch and Thomas from Totally Fierce Crochet. Now instead of trying to explain Battle of the Stitches again, I'm not very good at it. I am going to link the last video that I made, which tells you everything you need to know. I'll also put all the details in the description below, and I'm going to have everybody's channels linked below. So you'll definitely want to go check out everyone's channels, subscribe so you don't miss any videos. One thing I think I forgot to mention was that once they pick a stitch from this book for the month, all the creators that are joining take that stitch and we design our own project. Now currently we all do have tutorials on how to do the rocking stitch. So go ahead and feel free to check out anyone's channels if you want to learn how to do that stitch. And this video is all about giving you guys a sneak peek of what we've made, and then you can guess in the comments on what you think our project is. And then be on the lookout for next Wednesday. We'll all have videos on our channels showing you what we made with that stitch. And we'll also have tutorials on our channel on how to make those projects. Okay, so it is now time for the sneak peek of the project I made. Hopefully I don't reveal too much. So what do you guys think? Give me a guess in the comments below on what you think my project is. It's been so exciting for me to join everyone in the month of November. November happens to be my birthday month, and that is actually in a couple days here. So it just makes it that much more exciting for me. Again, I'm going to have all the details for Battle of the Stitches in the description below, and I will see you all next Wednesday. Take care.